Dr. Jake, as they call me here with Liqui-Grow. So today we're at one of our research farms in Fulton, Illinois, and we're here because we want to take a look at some seed that we direct seeded with suspensions this spring. Now, why would we do that? Well, we're doing that because, as many of you have probably heard, there is some markets developing called carbon markets or ecosystem service markets. And the reason they're developing is there's many companies that want to pay farmers to sequester carbon. And one of the things that would qualify farmers for carbon sequestration is planting a cover crop in the fall, right? Well, there's this cover crop seed called Camelina, right? And Camelina is very, very small seeded. Ranges between 300 to 500,000 seeds per pound. So very, very, very small. And that seed will actually flow through the flow meters and the booms and the hoses on our floaters, and we can actually incorporate that with the fertilizer in the tank, and we can simultaneously apply Camelina seed and fertilizer in the fall, saving the farmer time and money on an extra trip. All right. But one question that I've had is, well, Jake, how can you dump a seed in a vat of salty fertilizer and expect it to germinate? Well, that is a little bit hard to believe, but quite frankly, we know we can do with many other seeds, including alfalfa. We direct seed alfalfa all the time, right? So to test this for sure, this spring I had our team at DeWitt make a batch of fertilizer. It had 200 pounds of nitrogen with it, 50 pounds of P2O5, 75 pounds of K2O, 15 pounds of sulfur. So a pretty hot, salty load. And we dumped about a half a pound of Camelina in the tank, and then he dribble banded that fertilizer on this field. And I wanted to see if the Camelina would actually germinate applied in bands after it was tank mixed with this fertilizer. And lo and behold, it has. So if you take a look, we have lots of little Camelina seeds that are starting to germinate. We planted this, or we direct seeded this on April 27th. Today is May 20th, and we have lots of little Camelina seeds coming up. So we can, in fact, direct seed Camelina with suspensions. This is something we can do this fall. At the moment, we have reserved 3,000 acres worth of this Camelina seed. We may be able to get more, but if it's something you're interested in doing, direct seeding Camelina with your suspension fertilizer this fall, you should contact our local Liqui-Grow office. So thank you for your time.